Okay, so now I'm front facing, and again, I'm at the patio door. I'm near the window. I'm like sticking my head out the window or sticking my head out the patio door, just so I could get all that good light on my face. I'm trying to see if it picks up all the other noise, and I'm trying to see what it looks like when, you know, maybe the lighting isn't so great over here, which is over here. The thing is with this is I can't see myself. I can see myself in the reflection, but I can't really see myself in this. So it's very reminiscent of my Casio EX-FH20 camera, where I didn't have that flip out screen. And I gotta tell you, I hated those days because I didn't know if I was getting the shot or not. But it's a gorgeous day outside. Everyone knows the doctor. You guys know Rosie. It's the TARDIS back there. Bubaloose, Mr. Pig, keeps them all in check. He's the leader of the pack. Rosie, you know, she's our AI specialist. Machine learning, savant. The doctor's mainly, you know, he leads our hardware division. And we all report to Mr. Pig. He oversees everything. That's just the way it goes. He's new. His name may or not be based on Baba Booey. I'm not sure. I got a new camera, but you guys, we're not going to use it anywhere. Everything is closed.
Oh, it's a little
Yeah, it's an action camera.
Oh, nice.
But we're not going anywhere, so I've You are just so done with me. I'm not going anywhere. I have to do something with it. Everything has been canceled. 40 was on sale. Oh, hell no. We're recording. Oh, it's for our vlogs. We need to do vlogs.
Live.
Why don't
You
you
know
do
what
vlogs?
it is. Make this money. Coronavirus. Coronavirus. Coronavirus.
I've been noticing damn that.
Yeah, we know everything.
Is this TikTok?
Yeah.
Oh. Children, this is my video test with the Apeman79. This is an action camera. I do think now is the worst time to buy an action camera because E3 got canceled, the fair got canceled, what else got canceled? Comic-Con got canceled, so all the events I wanted to take this camera around to ended up getting canceled, so there's no point now. But it's still, the reason why I bought it and the reason why I'm experimenting with it is because I wanted to know if I could get away with this camera versus not having to buy a wide angle lens, and I can take this underwater. I don't really scuba dive and go swimming that much. So it's a waste for that. But if I'm just running around town, if I'm just doing something, it would be nice to just be able to grab this because it's so small and portable. Like I went to NFL Experience and my DSLR there was great and fine and fun for certain shots, but it was really heavy. And I think I would have really liked having something light and portable just to play with. So that's the reason for this camera. So let's go.